Mamema watse na mema wo akwaba emra na watwe dwumadie aha eye Adum TV na dwumadie san twa ne ho ewo Asempa 94.7 FM eso ensama hodo etwagu na watwe ne mu nyina na ene ya tenase na yebedi ebimo enkomo ensemben ene yede eba de eba no eye Black Stars ene wo managers na foreign players ehun sama eje ne ho mena bebrena no esusu se ya aye asa yaka empanyefo ho so obi be ye adwuma awie ne akwakofo mo motema no ne so mo mra me ye adwuma no na eno no ye bedi mu kwabo kakra e de ma wo hwa so far 5 players eno mudin abetu dwa so ma switch ya omutumi bo ema Ghana man ye ne empanyefo bedi mu kwabo ama wo eno da nchen so a IMF eye $3 billion the expectation no ene se eno ni sika aban yi ebenya e de afi wo mo ho e branketa wodie asase no asembisa ne na watwe dwumade ye bisa no ene se sasika no e betumi abeso Ghana sene ayeyen afri sikasam ekoma ede yen ene se de economy no eye no e betumi aye adwuma na ye wie won so a asem kese ba kwa bedi mu nkomo eye asukodo kwan be na menu mienu ye fa so ene mpanyefo na ye hwe se ensuo ehun kwa atwe wo Ghana ha nimdie pi no na ewo mu e wo se ye gye ye de hu kyemu ni nyina no ebrel anopai ewo na watwe dwumadie so Asempa 94.7 and Adum TV midi ede abena pokoa ahwenneɛ ya no asɛ no so sɛ yɛne yɛwrasɛ tekpe enkane fotosamfo ede mo man Ghana yɛne ne bedi nkɔmɔ ɛwɔ dwumadie so ede afa IMF ɛho ensensem ma mentwa me ho emra na enkita hodie no yɛmfa nhyase Mamema wakwaba ebiem emra Adum TV na watwe dwumadie eso na yenkomodi ayede ehyaase no eye asukodo na menua bema kwame anum ade akire akohye ensuo eho nsem ene empempenso a enioma ejina sesei ene baabi a yantoto nioma yi a ede oman no ebekwa koduru ma yenhwe wei emra na mene kwame emo ho nkomo kakra yeguso etoto enioma na yahye asukodo a kwamianum edi akire no de otume achi edigu eye emfidie so ye wasa wo hye na hunu tebia Ghana yenso sem no ejina na enene wa bia begina mo eye granddaughter ye kan granddaughter bi won ma ye tu obura ewuramu a ye hunu se enso tumi fra asase dase eba ye nya nsuo nom eno da nchen so a wotumi tu boho na wutuo no mutumi kɔ no tenten eno no eya fidikese na yedi tuo ni nyina no eya granddaughter na eno no ede na wosi ehunu ede fa granddaughter eho ye ne empanyifo bedi nkomo kwame akwaba mpacho etisei chairman na kwame wo borura mu na wokɔhwɛ ye no enso wasɛm no baabi a yedina no etisei
baabi a mabɔ apro akɔ no me ka nyama me hu ye no na ehu o hwe se ne ya polity ensio ohun se ye wo river bodies and say ensio a Ghana waterfall actually come freedom na ma so ne so na mo de amaye ensio no ensio ba nkran han ma ye obebi se Weja Dam abi a Ghana waterfall actually ensio no come freedom ensio call Ashanti region, Eastern region, Volta region, Central region na ye hwe water sources no a kwan ben na ye protecting and as ye bo ho ban na me hu ye no say there is this heavy pollution omo ye galamsey omo ye farming omo to anwea and a real estate developers na me kan say won sensuo no da ho a omo nsiom ye fra bibi buffer zone zone a en wo se oye bibia won nsuo no and since you Ghana waterfall no and what's on your bia say o ye farming o ye illegal mining now even o ye mining and I say o ye sand winning ye ko be ti Asante region the last time I call hono river bi ho ye fe no river Oda into call Obuasi hono ma ye fe no Odaso no ema wo mo Obuasi na other surrounding communities in you plant ewo hono ye hu se na etime generate 4 million gallons a day. That is the capacity I was running. As at the time, you call no, esan so mo 2 gallons here. Oko river down na, baby na Ghana water form pipe no share na mo twins you know. 10 meters no be illegal mining. No more man.
What trap buffer zone kra
Odibanso. Enti ama sans na polluted. Enti no you call hono almost 4 million gallons a day. So mo ye 1 million. 4 million gallons. So mo ye 1 million.
You say no, you short about 3 million no.
No. Na afei be sample for mo frɛ bibi turbidity no ye efia na assess na national policy aye na mo kyerɛ sɛ nsuo no betumi anum saa nsuo a wɔ sɛ 0 to 50 okay but mo calculate na so mo ye hwehwɛ mo hwɛ sɛ na nsuo na ye fi na ye 7,000 na ye hu
just atwam 50 no
atwam 50 ya we 7,000 enti hu enti honom na me hu sɛ na den na ekoso esan sɛ ya na ya ne sɛ ya sɛ nsuo no na afei omo say ifide bia no mo ye nsisi ho afei bia no mo ye no once sisi abosume bia no mo ye nsisi ewo nso no ensa na ekoso yakọ baby ti say Barakesi Asante region ye dam bia na eso no so mangrove nso ho dam no esio ewo kese also esilted anwea wo mo edentia nkrofo ye farming ewo buffer zone nkrofo sun raining around the buffer zone. Ye ko baby to so Owabe dam no so sa ento Owabe dam me say no originally mo ye no mo say na death say na mo do. Say na mo do. 22.5 feet.
Okay.
The last time I call no esan say nkrofo esisi adan na nsuo no to na wo hye anwe gum no aka 6 feet.
Sir.
Asam na ye ka no ene say ehu. Ne eba no ehu. Na oba wager 80% of the residents in Accra depending on wager. How na yenya nsuo. Buffer zone nkofo esisi adan wo wager no ho nyina. Nti se ko wager won say islands nsuo no ho say na islands nkofo esisi dan ko. Nti ne aba no so. Na okọ Eastern region no yakọ Brim River no say na Ghana waterfall no nsuo. Nti ye wo bonsu plant Ghana waterfall. A day, now we say 900 gallons a day. As the last time I call, no, we 300 gallons. Illegal mining. Illegal mining. Oh, and the level of pollution now, yeah, cano. Eso. And we share now. Yani engineer Baku Kasa last week. No, catch say, we share white vote and black vote now. Oh, and they okay. O could be pay ne. O do how o I polluted. The only thing I bet you can say is Seattle. And took a bit to say Pra River. We got in Swabim. Pra River and then the last time I called on Uncle for air to our river Nankasangasem. And to the danger ahead, I ever say about Mumbai. Near Yakon, I ever say about Mumbai. Oko apply the voter region. No Muya and so more to a formons you. It sounds a Ghana water for to be changed your mom. Now formons so more to no supervision. And no dog better the effect of Nyamoyan.
Okay.
And near per se, and say, you per se, you see a medium, no. I just was say this service situation. It's say the last week I need Stanley Matic say, or see they have deployed all avenues, including prosecution, arresting, sacking of people. But then you know, and see baby, and see about say was say yena some as media. Now yanka say na ye politics so no enye. Say na did call buffer zone no enye. And then nansan ya call a shaman tema honum baby. Na Ramsar side, be ya na nka nsuo to a eso nsuo no se na be ya flooding ba. Ya encroach baby. Yes, see adan basa. Na won say in the fact catch say nsuo na nam fo ewo so no. Nsuo aye nam aye hu no. Ene nsuo na ewo fom no ewo connection.
Okay.
Enti no dog better say ewo connection. Enti ya police na ewo eso no. Ya police na ewo fom no so.
Na te say omo encroach buffer zones no. Obi beka say ayo say obi aso de. Ese be hwe say ebia yato wo no ye de faso na si ho untumi entra. Enti aden na empanyefo ni bi nso tena se ye nhwe han mo encroaching yen ma be ka che say encroaching tin so no say
eno na say then issues na e bisa ne say me ka say call wager no na minister na ye call people be so a omo say omo reservoir ba ko reservoir na se pe na nkrofo otu ania e na minister na pam omo nyina sa na mpinifo bi wo ho a omo ton ania na ma nkrofo no ba be omo to abuo na ania omo ton omo powers na eso eye sa ade no obekọ baby ese ahemfo na omo ye sa enti no for political reason enti me invite omo ya kan minister bekọ baba na sa we jade a ye kan wan se me nim ne enti ampenifo enti me nya hwe because we jade se ye kan ka dan na wo nyina wo so mo dwene nyina go
is it and obekọ mkra na said ya esie e wo CSIR for ensase na nkruche sabet na so oni nkrata akra che say asase ye dia ma no ye ne dia permanent bi ni ho mate Kwame mame na ase wutie baabi a Kwame efiri bana obi beka se o na ne esa mutum mo sensu no na pipe ama metubo ho ana ne me metum abura bi na media di medwuma mame ko ye doctor baako enchen na ye no emonkomo na ansana doka bebam no ma ye nya bwafo nkrato ye basisia enti yenhye enkobo no ase na yenhye Dr. Millicent Obin Adai a hydrogeologist wasanso ye lecturer at University of Education Winneba na sanso otimisani faso na Yura Eugene Ata Ahen executive director at the Coalition of NGOs in Water and Sanitation Eugene Yao Ata Ahen medasepa na mamini kan enko Dr. Obin Adai eho doc ya mo akwaba anofa yi ya da se na ensuo hu koma ye die no obi beka se de wo so no na aye polluted ekekan wa bia bamu a ene esa de ma fa me ho adwen ene wo hwe ma boho business no ekopa because obi apese de ne ho ewo ensuo mu ground water no eye safe e de mayen ene ya na
pacho me fa akwan we so echia omo hwe me enkankan me maame ne me papa water krade ene me foster mother anti sewa ene madofo nyina metumi aka se Ghana ha no nyame adom ye ground water na ye wo no ye safe aka bebi bia kakra bebi ti se bongo omo no geology na ye ebo na nsuo no wo mu ye wo fluoride content ye high wo ena bebi so ti se mpoano ya nchini nsuo no etumi ba asase ni mu apart from such places ena ye bia bebi ayo mutu gold ni ade no so ya na ebo no wo high content of cyanide mercury ni ade apart from such places no Ghana had ye groundwater resource no e safe.
Okay, enti ede na ebema ensu amatu asase ase enya wo honom no obi beka se ebeye polluted and asa kika bebam factors ni ede na etumi masa de we si
senia Kwame kasa no ka se de ekoso asase ni no eno ana esanso ko asase ni trimu enti factors a say yensuo wo asase ni nim nyina eno aso na say wo asase ni trimu enti ekwa farmers you can say
minus
farmers me fan say potassium nitrogen ade na omo de ye farming no etumi esone akọ asase ni tiri
fertilizers na kwafo de gu mfudie no so wo mfumu no
fertilizers no say ebro so dodo a ya etumi tene ekọ asase ni tiri mu na eno so ekọ pollute and the other side no so say minus ni ade no omo mututu asase no nti sa anwea ene ebo na kebetumi CV efine wa asase ni tiri mu ansa na akọ asase ni mu because omo tutu asase ni mu ntini efinu ne fertilizers ne septic tank ne mo ne nya ekọ asase ni tiri mu direct eno ne some of the factors are it may affect a groundwater resources.
It's no na se bia obeka say borehole water no 100% pure. Say you ka se bia de wo ani no ye contaminated na ye ntumi nka no sa ma ne nye ye.
Baby wo ho a
and specific areas. It's maybe a mining and I say for use of fertilizers more no. I want no bet to me too so na content was as na say no are polluted sanity.
Yes. Enti factors no ye fe ebi anthropogenic. Ye nipa na ye desa insusanso neba. Ene ye fe bibi susu geogenic. Ye natural processes. To say ebo na nkasa no ne characteristics are onankasa ekura dada no. Nti o anthropogenic any geogenic. Nti anthropogenic de no na ye bohu de ro say yesremo mining amo ye ekuafo a modo ebe nsuo borehole amututu amuni license muni professional people to supervise it no munjai inti anthropogenic activities na ye bohu de osisi ano.
Okay, inti se obi se oye a driller edien na e wose ono no enyansa na wotumi adrili nsuo na wa drili awie kra no de na wose wo ye na wahu se nsuo no eye safe for consumption.
Me pacho di kind no driller bi also wonya license. Okay. Free Water Resources Commission of Ghana. Inti de bia me ka se wo pese obi be drill borehole mawa. Obetumi afro bia na emum bisa nipa kro ni se okra license. Se nipa no kra license a na che say nipa na register dada. Inti sometimes na yom ko training ye chechro mo ha won be ye ade no. Nti eno ne first na wo be ye. Na wetu borehole na wie no. Won starting no or say wo fa sample so wo fa nsuo ni bi ekọ Water Resources Water Research Institute and Ghana Water Company omo krabato ewo ha nyina eho nyina na omo ko hwehwem because even though Rebecca say groundwater ni safe na bi wo ho a na ye frɛ bibi TDS total dissolved solids no higher than the o say nipa ekọ hunam due ni mu ha nti wo kɔ na omo hwehwem na omo hu say nsuo we eye ansana wetumi a start no.
Okay. Tinache sanye se ye ebi wo hono ma osore ya wabie ebi a shop osim tunsuo but before say do sika ma sanipa no was say wo ye setting say okita license a odi ye adwuma ma ne kwan na eba no hydrogeologist mumu de ya say before so betunsuo na was say monsumo bam ana
ideally no before anka obetunsuo ni krai was say ye frɛ nkofo bi geophysicist. Okay. Also mo ba eno mbehwe say baby a wo pese ye tu nsuo no wo ye groundwater resources no enye baby a na nsuo ni wo ena ye frɛ bibi fracture controlled nti e bia fracture ne nam ha sei nti say one fa geophysics amba mba ye ne we hu say fracture ne nam ha nti nsuo ni nam ha na se wo tu nsuo no won chen kra emba nti omu de omu fidie eba be hwehwe menhu say ha na wutu a eye aha na ebia o septic tank ne wa ha nti entu wa ha ansa na driller ne kra abim ba wa winim yoma krom hansem eni sikasemiti na o makofa driller bia aba na oba betu nsuo
ayo se wo pe o safety ene wa pobodi won so a wonom ho a na e wo se o ti ase ese wo betu nsuo na pede oye license e mani tu nsuo ni ma yes o te me ase abrawa no no ama okrowa so ansa na me ba yewra ataho no ma ye hwewe emra na me samra fi habium
akwa sese woni ewonkura kase mu eya ko obi we kase ye sene enei obi asini dan a na watu ni nsuo woni fie enkanye se wonya bi mfiri Ghana waterfall wa wedie nyame ano a ntwisuo na nkwanya nanso woni a wonim de efa sa ntwisuo nhyehyɛ ye ho kyerɛ sɛ nipa bebre enni emra so fa ensuo ye twutuo ewo ye fie mu hydrogeologist anase woni a efam ye tu nsuo yi wani de akye dendenden wo mu ba ko wo University of Ghana Dr. Millicent Oben Adey ena eyesa enhwehwemu yi
nsuo de enim sɛ wo ho nti de o sɛ ye hwehwemu ni sɛ mfiese ena ye betumi ayisu nsuo no and even apart from that no rate ben de bia no say no say yetumi etu aha enye sa adachi bi no ye beka so nsuo na wa asase ni tirimu ni ye nti ye ntumfa nom ye ntumfa nya efuo but ebe kakra no na de wa asase ni mu no so awe na ye nim so se eche ye ansa na nsuo na wa asase ni mu no bebre abem nti se yetu yambo hu de ro ye na ankrankro etutu wa bra ye nim pa yete hwa na dachi na de wa asase ni trim no so asa de Ghana ha no nsuo a ye de ma ankrankro ewo nkrasi no eno no efi nsuo na ewo asase ni trim nti community water sanitation agency omo no ye in charge nti omo drill boreholes ni ma ankrankro mo ho ena omo krom no so no Ghana Water Company ena di nsuo ni mo nti already na ye yusu nsuo na ewo asase ni trim.
Dr. Chese woni a wo tutu nsuo yi sempanimfo ama wani anko ho a ebe wiase no de how beba
ankrankro adwuma bebre akoto rig ena omudi tutu nsuo no omuni license omun register here with Water Resources Commission ena ewo emremu say before a wobetu nsuo no so wukra license a wo obi a onim asase ni hwehwemu yie na wetumi aboawo na wetu nsuo ni ye nsuo na ye wo no de wo esoro de wo hwiem de wo apumu na de wo asase ni tim ni nyina ebom nti de ekoso asase ni nyina ya hwe ye ya ebetumi akọ asase ni tim tina na ye bodero se galamse amoye munjai nwura na mututubu nsuo munjai septic tank ni ade na mo siting anyhow munjai because de ye nyina e wasase ni su ni nyina no ebetumi ase ye nsuo no de wo call baby a ye too good ni ade na bibi ti say cyanide ne arsenic na ewo ebuo na nkasa mu no etumi ha nsuo na ewo ebuo ni mu no enhwehwemu bebreba akoso efa ensuo ho oman Ghana sane enka odomankoma edum yei ekire se yeka ensupa a omanfo benya nom a emfonyin ne nyefe ewo mayimu sempanimfo anhwe yi a sane ene nam mframamu no jaage wo kransuo omanyin kura akese enkuro nketua nyina ena nsuo ho eyedin asem no aya sensebe
ena hu ye no machine kesi a hu wo video yi mu no ye friend rig ene na borehole no de etu nsuo no ene omotwe kwatintintin di rasa asenase komwa kotutu asase ne konya ba bi nsuo ne wo ene hu komo na ye di no enye obi a ne wo setu san nsuo no ema wo so penim before mame ko yaw ata ahen Koniwas executive director ye mo akwa baba na wo twedwumadi so
medasi
eti chairman mayenhwe ye ka groundwater nso na wa asase ase no eye den ya wo se extract bi ne edidi edwuma na baby a eye doc edi efra bedru no wo sha eye boa payo e na nipa bi ya na ye nyina ye anase bi a ohwe ni botomo de to anamo no
medasi chia awefo nyina nso na etini se onipa bi a o take decision ohwe ne ebeboa wo no kane enti se me kwa kofa driller na driller no beji me 20,000 professional driller na se ohwe ni botom na ni sika 5,000 na obenya driller o se o metu amawa anhwa obema na tu ama no enti sana niema ni nyina ati enu nti na ya mpempi etai kan se mo ma ye nhwe ne oba betu no mom kane ne mo ye nhwe nhihye ya ye di gu akwam se ne be ya obi kura ntumi nkofa on license driller se san nhihye no akwam na se ukofa on license driller na be cost more than the 20,000 anka obi use na unkonkofa 5,000 de no enti nhihye ya de ehuhia yi pa na se ne do kan ye no nyame ahira o man yi ewo nsuo ho asem whether surface water or ground water and I didn't say yentumi nka ground water asem yentumi nka surface water asem the two are interrelated, very much interrelated. Ti say no kan dey cause surface water na asase ani no eno a na affect yen ground water. Etu ya hwehwemu ama ye hu say multiple indicator cluster survey 2018 Ghana Statistical Service and the or say so we ohamu nchemu we ensuo a yeko bu ye kano point sources oko na wakobu borehole ana say ensuo a ye yusu e ofie o de aba fie nti wo nom point sources no contaminated by 50%. Into we 10 biya emu 5 contaminated with E. coli. E. coli no so no to say fecal contamination.
Wow.
Say be janai akọ nsuo nim. Na oba efie nsuo nso aye nom na. O say 8 out of 10 contaminated. We Ghana Statistical Service.
No question.
And the 8 out of 10 no contaminated with E. coli and HSA. Jumedi ayedi was asase say ye open defecation. Say be je na wa bonten basa no. Affected surface water nko ekọ asase na se ekọ nsuo na ye tu anom nso. Enti ye kan say no enya agro bi na ye di ade a ehia sempa. Enti o se etime den hihye egu akwan mu na ye boa na ye so ano. Ade ba ku biem so ne say oka galamsey oka farming activities oka na sun winning enso ya ade a ha adwen. Climate change ade a yemfa ya ni nko ho ye. Ze wie mu asesa ye twitwa nwia ewie ebo ye pollute ye hye niema ni nyina eba be affect ye water resources. Nti o se yetima ye ni ko sa niema nyina ho ansa na yetumi abo ho ban. Se ba nhihye se policy and strategies, programs, plans Ghana yen lake any oko institution bia obi. Then so say these are policies and as nhihye no be ye adwuma no. Eno ne ye problem. Either say we ka say oni ska o de be ye ana oni akade ana oni nipa dodo a ohia na o de aye e problem. Water Resources Commission say okoho now share the caliber of people a adwuma o ho a enya asem keto. So
at the end of the day no results be na
nipa no enim de na wasua de ehu or experience nanso akade ewo he. Apart from that we need baby anso wondoso. It is okay say o policy sa drillers nyina baby o wotumu wale bolga mikrom sunyan techiman go so na so onko hwe ni nyina ontumi ndi ne ben say o hwe ha na bi no tu ha na say me ko Western North for baby. We have the features we virtual.
Okay.
We are nanu ya asem, nanu ya. Na main road na Galamsey ewo ne nifa so sa. They say Galamsey no they are doing it busily with no fear. Na cars etwam be a police cars, be a military cars, be a government officials, or be a twamko. Na nkofo ye adwuma. Enso ye se ye kwatia Galamsey. Enya sa na ye kutia Galamsey o. So also be ya na say unya opepa no na unya the will to do it. Enya about lip service. But sana me hunu say ye ka to ho say ye be stop e na ejai. I say wo fie na emofra ye bibi na wo mpe. Na wo ka tell we nya mebu o. Ya we nya mehwe o. Nso wo nhwe no da. Ento nim say papa de wa kan no nya de obehwe me. Enti meko so aye. Sana ye hu no man
so but Bano Galamsey fa ho na I'm not holding brief for the government no ye nim say prosecution ni ade bia brebe mu pa no omo ye prosecution onyi ni say ye asode ankasa na Ghana for ye so be de akire dia
me da say asode na o ka no enu nti na ye yi aban asi wo say me right am wo no me de amount je also right o de amount o de right amount say wo na hwe right nyina so ene ye sign this sika title say sign this sika na fa bo ye adwuma nyina ho ban. This also obi ya so den ti no onko so nye dia and na 2 minutes dia man you are not using it well. Use the power and the resources to stop those who are doing the wrong things. Eno na ye hwehwe o. Etieti akra.
Na atayen hwe minim se eba no ekone wasa ensuo ene ahonedie mu wo mu pa. Baby amusuma monitor kodru no. Sa scarcity of ensuo a yan hwe ya ebe kodru se wose ye kra nsuo fi obi man so ne de aba ha abedi adwuma no eye imminent na aben
kakra kanin na ye men ho kra nti o ka wo ka sa ansem no kra I say o nim ne o ka ye wa akiri nanso ene no o ka I say o ade na ben ye wo data bia we are seeing na yet team about countries are water stressed wan hwe ya da chi bi no ho be kire on pa emre bi atwam pa na salis no kra no de Ghana be mu a na enye ene no ye 114th Yes, Omaya obetimi enya ho kire e wo nsuo nsem ho daache no 114 out of 150 plus enye bad but kanenentisa your countries bit say Qatar, Israel, Botswana ne ekeka ho a wo water stress pa enso hwe nhihye Israel de egu akwam o hwe se o ntimi nkosa o ha no ma ebe ye honwa Israel it is almost like a desert. And so she shall de gu akwam nti se wotumi nya nsuo ama ne buso anhwa obetumi kwa de bia koma neighboring countries. San she ne ye se yenso nke betumi atu sa na mo no. Ye tu sa na mo no de a menyini se ebedu ba bia ye ho be kire yensa. On say we are see afana na ye se nsuo aye wo we ase 70% of the earth. 70% nyini na na available to us. Ye na yenim. Only about 3% and insua ebetimi aka say readily available to us. The rest ebi or ice and say enye insua obetumi use availably. Enti sa 3% no so no enye insua e ho da ensa. Enti say okotso na obo ho ban se na be ya endeplete na da achi ho enkonko kire. Sa na mo na ese etu. Etumi tu sa na mo ne ye dia. Mejiri say Ghana ye safe.
Mate. Dr. Adai, my answer what two and sooner when a grand infant say boho and I say war a bracrana. At the end, I was so ye. We nano a safe for consumption. And I say test that him was say a running will soon and sana what to me anom.
Okay, inti send me the cancain. What they be call lab. No much shame say.
So be any 2 year the quad I say. Your specific say be area we na obetu a odebeko
insi obia obetu bia o say wotumi de collab no mo ye nhwehwemu edikan no mo hu say ebia sodium calcium nitrate bicarbonate sulfate na ewom no eye insi obi wo ha obetum de aye efuo but wontumi no insi obi wo ho so a wodi be ye efuo no but ndua aban emfuye because calcium ne magnesium no edoso inti the opesa odi nsuo ni ye no de be collab ukwa enimdefo ho ombe churchill nina but first and foremost I will say ye hu say nsuo na wo no it is following the World Health Organization omo standards and Ghana has say so yes ye wo standards inti I will say e follow ansana omo tumi aka say num nsuo we because nsuo na ye num no wanhwe ye no so de yare ene adan sunsanso e de bebro
inti wa wo hwe me anope no na wo sentie me no me bisa say boho na utu ye no anya bia wo driller no or the test result aba wo hu situation o kan solve me boa o kan de biem iron ye na unso iron me sa wo de ono na oni terms no me bisa say or the result bre ma wo hu say so na wo nom na wo didi udwuma no san keka wo nyina bi ni ma na enti sa de ampacho to so na mo sisi a ye rapia pa ne sa ye koye nim so the suggestions ni bebe no ana aba emu de when ye critical ni manim ya no e wasem panyefo so mu e ma enyoma ani dane ma yen
yo me dan say edika no me say me kan kitu bi to ane ye ma me kan yi so me madwuma me ye adwuma World Vision Ghana ye dwuma di kese pa se ye tunsuo e ma amanfo a woni bi especially rural and small towns no na what tunsuo na wie no menim say Ghana Water Company, Community Water and Sanitation Agency, and NGO papa bia na as organization papa bia no. Obehwe say e be test. Ansana wetumi anu nsuo no. Bebre na anye. Bebre otu nsuo na no an say onum. Na health hazards no huge. Enti wan hwe ya wo so otu nsuo anum. Na de how sign abrel. Eno ne ade a ye pese ye bo ho dawo na esi ano. Na ni na nkofu anso no. Nina ye regulations, policies, any leadership. Enti wana all share say nsuo na wo tu ofie no kwa no wo follow the right standards. Wana ehwe. Wana ehwe say watu nsuo na ofie wie no wo be test it. Sa na eme na pese aban ma na ni kwa hu ye na institutions no ye mo capacity no mutimi ye adwuma.
We so na ye weird but say institution enye adwuma enne na ya kan Wadom TV ni Asempa FM no. Ye mo hu say nsuo no tu ya e wase wonya result of enso na watulu ni state wo mu it is a institution in ya me so me waso die
wo demande
I was me demande
wo demande say results no way wo results na ni kwan say wo no na ansa na nka dwele bia be kan say we wie yusu no kan say o hwe say ya testing so no
okay
nti wo hwe ya bo modin say we wen ani akọ
mate
na yetumi aye na edi kan
okay
me de me feel say ne ma say akodu no e was you taking measures bia e be ma yetumi afri mu daachi number 1 e was you yetumi integrate water resources management into the academic curriculum into schools nema wo sua nyina no yemfa water resources management en shem e say abofra no de wo de shem a obenyini na wafa sa suban no na de anyini say no mpanyimfo no say wo ka say wonyai na onya de fofra na so onim se mfa so wom na wa ya chentino ni gya yedin enti yema sa de no enya adwuma number 2 enforcement enforcement ni say okwa akọchi nipa no a o ya ade no
okay
memma nipa na nye kura ansa na wakọ akọchi no enti okọ baabi bebre a yema won ko start kura ankofo wa wo hwe say won start weja haya making say nye soldier for ne from 2015 they are still there. So you dare not go there and do those activities. And I was saying who said some places no security zones.
Yeah.
In many countries or fast places now yenya yensu ni say security zone. Huntimi men ho enkoye na ope ho. Ye be chill.
Okay. It's o points no ne I say anoso no 2 na o mayen. Okay, enforcement no.
Enforcement.
Na say de be share curriculum.
De be share curriculum. Ne to so ni say ye be security zones. Na fe ni twa to okra no yemma akade a e wo say institutions bi say water resources commission wonya no de yen wa adwuma no e say wonya na ahemfo ene asofo ne amanfo ni na no ye ne abanya partnership
okay
adwuma ko ne nya partnership na ye nam sa akwa no so ntimi mmo yensu ho ban yi
me da se mama na mabedwafo ase Dr. Millicent Obin Adai hydrogeologist or also a lecturer at the University of Education in Winneba and yaw ata ahen also near Brofudin or your chairman at the Mark Codiwas and also World Vision International and World Vision Ghana Medasapa and your Bramunya at the Maya and Opay as Sukodo and your domuno na ye dani home na ye call IMF $3 billion and what ensem ye de breo. Ese wo share Adum TV na watchi edwumadie esan so eye live ewo Asempa 94.7 ye share IMF enkomodie ene $3 billion a say ye kase no enkitahudie ahyase na watchi ye mu ya empanyifo hwe se bekwa kowie no omunsa ebeka sika no na wode abeboa ama omanu sika sem a wo hwa this week ya no APC womo 2020 presidential candidate Ura Hassan Ayarga was Ghana enye poor kekeu was ye ni crisis Ghana aye bankrupt na chese keje team from enyoma nyina agiegu eno chi no wo hwemu a bebre na de sobo ebo the finance minister eba ne sikasa ne ntoto ye empempenso na wo so de koduru ene se dia enyoma age ne ho aba bedri eno chi krampo so no ye sa tete ne bi me hunu sa se otwetwe ne nan ase dodo naka otu anamono ntema ebianka omanu sikasem no abedu babia ewo no yebedi hu nkomo na ya hye sika eba mu no yebisase ehi na betumi de sikasem na koduru wenye de kan ya Ghana eko se yetumi kowe na eye successful a na chese 17 times eye na omana ko since 1996 etube bisase eno no ede na de baye de bia na wo se oman no ekokoduru IMF ansa ne ho kwan be fa so atoto ye niema IMF bibia so be pa so de moa na eba wo be koso wo moa no or the conditions eba asebisa say those conditions no empempen so be na as oman no yetumi ediso de ye adwuma pepepe ya emfa yenko ahoyehie mu setekpe eye former finance minister ye no ebedi enkomo na eno achi no Kofi Ameyao MPP oka the communication team ne ho ye ne no ebe hyase na yahwe babia yani echire. Okay, anti ansana meko Kofi Ameyao no mamene yera setekpe eni enkomo. Good morning, honorable.
Good morning to you and good morning to your viewers.
Okay. We appreciate your time.
Thank you very much. I also appreciate the opportunity.
Thank you. Kofi Mache.
Yeah, Nyame
Adom so bibia bokode.
Oh, Adom Mamincha Honorable. It's a privilege to have him on the line.
Okay.
Whilst I'm here.
All right.
I'm ready to listen.
It's nice. It's nice interacting with you too.
All right. Okay, so we want to know, now that we are going to the IMF, at this point, what should be the approach of the government?
Oh, we have a lot of experience. As you said in your introduction, by the way, I do understand, reasonably well the account. So your listeners don't have to ask their questions in English. I can understand it.
Okay, so
as you said, we've had
all right.
17 major programs at various times. It's important to understand that even when we are not in the program, we are in constant consultation with the IMF. And another example is, unlike the budget, the IMF often gives Bank of Ghana, that is all central banks, periodic assistance whenever they have foreign exchange challenges, like when cocoa, gold, or crude oil prices fall, and we are losing foreign exchange. We have what you call positions or some funding which they can, get from the IMF periodically, and then when times are good, then they repay. So when we say we have 17 programs, we are excluding some of those interventions. Also, the IMF gives us technical assistance. We don't often pay for that. For example, when we're doing the GRA reforms, merging IRS, and SEPs, when we're doing the giftness, both the World Bank and the IMF provided support, what they call technical assistance. They normally don't charge for those. But implicitly you will see that they are offering, support, financial support to the country, because they pay for all of those things, including experts that they engage. So I think we should understand that as members of the IMF, we are constantly involved. So from the experience in the past, what is involved is that, when you are in a crisis as we are, and as many countries are, or when you need assistance, you invite the IMF, which is what, the government did. It's led by His Excellency President Akufo-Addo. Then they come in, and either you have a proposal to put before them in terms of what you want to do, very concrete. In our case, it was a homegrown, policy. The homegrown policy had a long, we called it homegrown by 2013. But in actual fact, you agree with me that the GRA restructuring to strengthen our revenues, the merger of IRS and VAT to strengthen our revenues, the giftness, which we put in place to bring in discipline in expenditure. We can explain some of these things. We were already on course. Recall also that we had done the PRMA, the Petroleum Revenue Management Act, and we said the money coming in is new to the budget, so let's use it to manage debt, sinking fund. Let's use it, to set up a stabilization fund so that when we have crisis, we can fall on it. And that the sinking fund was what we used. We used $550 million of our own oil money, to pay a substantial part of the first sovereign board under His Excellency President Kufuor. So we didn't have to, and then we refinanced the 200. That's substantive. That when we got COVID, we had the stabilization fund. We went to Parliament to take 250 million. As we speak, we are almost taking out 400 million in the name of COVID, because we have not, removed the cap. So if you add this, for example, if you add the 550, to, let's say, 300, that gives you 850. Or if you take it at 400, that gives you nearly 900. That's the exact amount of money we got, President Mahama got, when we went to the IMF, part of which, was benefited the NPP when they took over the ECF, the last program. So you can have your own program, And you remember, we wanted to move on with the homegrown policy because with these structures, I'm taking my time to explain the use of the oil revenues to set up the sinking fund, stabilization fund. They are no different from what the IMF comes to give you. We give ourselves. So, for example, if we had put in more of the money when we had 2 additional oil fields, maybe it's not 250 we'll take. We'll be taking 550 million, 600 million. Maybe we would not be throwing, refinancing, our debt and throwing it out into 40 years, 15 years, the rest. We will be paying down, just as we started paying down the first sovereign bond. Those are the measures which many of the countries in coalition targets, the BRICS and the rest, put in place to make sure that, yes, they often go to the fund, but they don't go to the fund for 3 years. If there's a crisis like Portugal, Spain, Ireland, you remember during the global financial crisis, they went to the IMF, but within a year or so, they were maximum 2 years, apart from Greece, they were out. And today, because they learned that lesson, when COVID came, which is severe, they didn't go to the IMF for money because they established buffers. Those are what we call buffers. So the short answer is you either have a program which you put forward. If you don't have a program, because we have been interacting with the IMF regularly, and because they do Article 4 in particular, the one which is trending now is the one which was done in 2021, just last year, exactly a year ago, July. It shows a number of things. Later in the program, I can read some of them to your audience. So they know Ghana, they know their position. They've been interacting with it. We are also obliged to be sending them data. So when they are coming, they are not coming empty-handed. They know your position. For example, periodically when we say our debt is 78%, the IMF will come and say their figures. They will challenge you, but they will put out their figures and say, ours is 33%. When we said our deficit was 5.8, or it was 4.7, they said no, it was 7.2. 7.2, deficit 13%, when you are saying yours is 9%. And that is because you are not showing certain things like the bailout cost and energy cost. But because they deal with many countries who add it, or they dealt with our past government, which added divestiture receipts expenditure, typical receipts and expenditure, and all those things. When you say you are not adding it, you are not being uniform or fair to yourself. So they will add it. So in the absence of that, they come prepared based on the information that they know. And then in the course of the interaction, as they are doing now, collecting data, they will update that data. If you have your program and you have your data and you have a way forward, for example, one example is a single spine. By the time they came, we had agreed with Labour, or we were near agreement with Labour that we will pay the arrears in 3 years. It went into the program. They accepted it. So during the period of the program, we were paid. Those were our initiatives. Even in the course of the program, when we had done so, which was a result of the gas supply from Nigeria disruption, right? Not a domestic, event. ESLA, we did it on our own. You won't see it anywhere in the fund program that we had, because we realized a problem. We said oil prices are low. Let us put in this place to resolve the banking sector, the energy sector, and others which are borrowed. So that is it. So either you have a program, you put it down, or they come and then you agree on the program. If you have a program, it fast tracks the negotiations.
So if you were to be the finance minister as we speak, and looking at the condition we are, what would you have presented as part of the program to the IMF?
Probably we wouldn't be in this condition. And the reason I'm saying that is that by the time we were leaving office in 2016, our deficit was 6.1. It's only 1.1%. It wasn't 8.3 or 10%. No, as MP said, it was 6.1. 6.1 is only 1.1% above the 5% in the Fiscal Responsibility Act.
Okay. Seth, if you were to be the finance minister, we wouldn't have been here by now, even to the extent of going to the IMF. What would you have done better than what is happening?
No, what we did is what I'm telling you. We set up the sinking fund, right? Remember, we set up the sinking fund. as a result of setting up the sinking fund, we had 550 million because the first sovereign bond, which we can call, His Excellency under His Excellency Kufuor, was falling due in 2017. So by 2014, we put money aside. It wasn't the fund that asked us to do it. We put money aside in the sinking fund. As a result, by the time we were leaving office, we used 336 million of that money to start paying down the debt. In fact, 250 million was left. We refinanced 200 million. The NPP, the current government, used the balance of the 200 million to pay off the balance of that loan. On October 4th, 2017, it wasn't mentioned, but that was what was done. That is why we don't have that bond on our books. The one that is left on it is the 200 million. And then we had projected that, with Jubilee, Sankofa, and Tenfield, we were going to be paying down our debt up to 70% of every sovereign bond that we bought. It's in a handing over notes. So we had a plan. So those were the concrete things. Another example which I gave you, which the reason I'm saying that, I mentioned it. When we had COVID, the first money we took 250 million, which we took, before we went for the IMF 1 billion, right, was our own money. And it was money we put in place when oil prices were high under, from Jubilee, much of it. I'm not saying that the current administration did not add, but if you consider that we set aside 515 to take off, debt, and we had balance, we left, some 200 to 300 million in the stabilization fund with one oil field. If we were continuing those policies as we were doing, probably we would have had 750 million with two additional oil fields, Tenfield and Sankofa. And that is how countries don't go to the IMF. Maybe at this particular time, not earlier, we would have been going to the fund. Why? Because, as we know, the Ukraine and the Russian war are making things really tough. It is at this point that countries go to the IMF. But I'm saying as far as COVID and others were concerned, maybe we would have had 550 million, 600 million, who knows, even more, from 3 oil fields, not one.
Okay.
And if you do that, then even if you go to the fund, you are going to borrow 200 million. You are not going to borrow 1 billion. You understand what I'm saying?
Okay, so
that's why I'm saying that probably we wouldn't even be there. But let's assume that we were going to the fund, we would have done exactly what we did. We would have had our own homegrown policy in place, including all the elements that I've mentioned, and then we will be talking to the fund. There is no probability. What I'm saying is that we wouldn't be talking about 3 billion.
Okay.
That I'm sure.
Enti ususu se babia ye bedru ya ansa na afi na ye se enkitangudi ase no aye later na akati.
As they say, better late than never. Yes, late, but better late than never. Because what would have been the result? We would likely have defaulted. Because if you look at the IMF report, the Article 71, Article 4, done in 2021, it shows that as at last year, we were using 129% of the revenue we were collecting, which means that all the 100% was going, and we had to borrow additional 29 or 30% to pay for compensation. Sorry, to pay for, not compensation, to pay for interest on loan and the repayment of old loan. Now we all know, and we have been discussing this, on your program and everywhere, that we were looking at it in another way, that compensation and interest is taking all the revenue. And therefore we have to borrow to pay old debt. Now, we couldn't go to the bond market to borrow to refinance. Last year, we couldn't go for 2 billion. This year, we may not go because we are now in C ratings category. If you go and borrow, you borrow at a very high cost, right? So what I'm saying is that if you don't go to the external market to borrow, if the foreigners who come for your bond have gone and they are not in our market again, and then you start depending on your domestic market. And yet when you go to the domestic market, madam, you know it very well that the government was not getting all the money from the domestic market. The outcome is that with money not coming from anywhere, we would have defaulted.
Okay.
Because you can't pay compensation, you can't pay wages and the rest. And because after you pay wages and you pay the interest, there was no money left, for to pay the principal.
Okay.
So we are in that situation, and that is what would have happened.
Bebrena na edi ensusuye ebase ekuo anase team ebekosia IMF ni kitawodie no kra asase no anka ebeya finance minister entina nchen mema no enka the team ni ho enko sansa obema nyoma kra koye complicated dey am man no wo fo asa ko no so
under convention and in all the programs that we have done, when you finish negotiating with the IMF, you send them a letter which is called the letter LOI, letter of intent, your intention. And in that letter, which is supported by something called the Memorandum of Economic and Financial Policies, you state exactly what you want to do to take you out of the situation. It is signed by the Minister for Finance and the governor. So it is the Minister for Finance who is going to sign, so long as he's at post. No question about that. If for some reason, he's not leading the negotiations, but the negotiations have started, the discussions have started, and there's no sign that he's resigning, then it would have been the prerogative of the president to inform the IMF that somebody else. You remember we had it in our own constitution. When the finance minister fell ill and couldn't present the budget, the president informed Parliament, that the Honorable Chairman Sabonso, will be presenting the budget on behalf. That is because the budget is presented to Parliament on the authority of the president. And we are going to the IMF on the authority of the president. And later the agreement would go to Parliament. In our case, the elements of all the agreements were in our homegrown policy, which we took to Parliament. So the question, I'm afraid, is mute at this stage, so long as the Minister for Finance remains at post.
Sir, ekobasa mpenyufo to safrel ese yera seteke be kanti mu ne ho ya lead this negotiation ho no why you ready say obetie mu wo hye course a eba no a na wabo aban no sa kwan no so.
Oh, my boss, my current and former boss, so long as once a boss, always a boss, has said that there should be an open invitation, like we did in Century. So that's the context in which we are expecting. And then if such an invitation is thrown, frankly, the policies that I will be going to talk about, where His Excellency President Mahama's policies, they were the NDC's policies. So with all due respect, it would be easier if the NDC were invited to join in the conversations. Then, we who are the officials and we'll be going to parrot, the policies, like some of what I'm talking about and the rest. But in the absence of that, we've been contributing. So our views are known. We've been writing and our views are known. So we are Ghanaians. And I think that if there is an open consensus and the party is invited, then we would certainly participate, just as we invited the MPP.
Okay.
When we were going to Century.
Yeah. Drew Brebi say ya conditions are IMF de bano. Muna makobia ba. Eya na etumi be affect aban na ode omine ekono ne policies ni bi. Meka policies are say ye share NAPCO, ye share free senior high school, student allowances. Ebetumi affect no. Ewo kwan bi so na conditions ebe ba no.
Madam, the question is, do we believe that if we were doing our own homegrown policy, some of those policies would be affected? Let me give you 2 examples.
Okay.
We are all in this country. Quite recently, the head teachers, principals, said that they were not getting their money from the Minister of Finance, and that if the money did not come, they would ask the students to pay fees. In other words, we are all in this country. when the contractors, most of whom are not foreign, they are our own mothers in particular, because most of them are women, contractors for strategic stock, we are in this country, when they said that they are not being paid. And as we speak, some of them have stopped because maybe they don't have the finances, to refinance. They don't, their bank account is probably in red. And they said, we want to be paid so that we continue feeding the students. Is this something we want to continue? And do we have to wait for the IMF to come and tell us that the program is suffering and something must be done about it? And let me give you a practical example so that it doesn't look like I'm saying something which we didn't do. We were going to do 200 e-schools under the same free SHS. If you remember, 200 e-schools. Right in the middle of the campaigning, if you remember, crude oil prices fell. We did the budget with $99 per barrel. The price fell below $30. Then it's hovered around $33 to $35. If we were lucky, close to $40. It never crossed $50 before we left office. It crossed $50 in 2017. What did we say? We told the public, President Mahama told the public, we can't do 200 schools. We even said, if we are going to do 150, to do the progressively fee-free fee-free education, that's the free SHS, of which we added the progressively. We were going to do the remaining, we were going to hit maybe 120, 150, only in 2017, 2018, when Tenfield and Sankofa comes on stream, and we know that, we can be able to manage the budget efficiently. As a result, we said we were finishing only 50 or so schools. The evidence is there. Okay. Most of the uncompleted schools are in the bush today. I mean, that is pragmatism. You'll be very pragmatic, and we did. Another example, the second one, or probably the third, sorry, is ESLA, which I mentioned already. We didn't wait for the fund to tell us that, the energy sector was in crisis, the banking sector was in crisis because our energy companies had borrowed from the banks to keep, because of subsidy, the budget didn't have money, so we're not being subsidy, right? So I think that in all sincerity, let us ask ourselves the questions, let us put reforms on the table so that it doesn't look like it's always the IMF. Of course, the IMF will come and say, yeah, we have seen this program, we've seen this your initiative, but we suggest you do something else. For example, another quick example, when we had money in the sinking fund, we had a discussion with them under the program, and they said, maybe consider taking part of the sinking fund to reduce the deficit. Okay. But we said, the deficit is past. It is consumption. And in 3 years, in fact, by 2015, it's 2 years, we have to pay $750 million. We borrowed part of the World Bank guaranteed bond to refinance. So we tell them that is a more difficult thing for us in future. They agreed, and we kept the sinking fund, which, as I said, because we kept it, even the current government took $200 million, of that money, to pay off the final balance of the first sovereign bond. So let us ask ourselves the question first. And let us propose something. That was the essence of Senchi. So by the time we came out of Senchi, we had to put us on the floor. And in fact, our initial discussions in Accra, was chaired by one of my former bosses again, Dr. Botwi, when I was a public servant. Right, so Dr. Botwi, who had experience, more experience than I, he chaired. Yeah.
Now, Seth, share, said you will come in the na obi beka sene e wasa ban nan kasampo etu anamo na nsana IMF condition no abamu obi beka se abanu susu ye ne se ehhehye odi egu akwanso no e ya de odi support de oni bie the poor no in society no e no odi support te bia no na ama no e drag the feet kakra ese o bia omo ebe withdraw unyini se kwan pana na onam so sempo ofa ne se enioma e na entoto mu se ye betumi agina na so ana.
The IMF is not the old IMF, which is associated with. In the 2021 Article 4, the IMF is saying, and later I'll look for it and read, the IMF is saying that the COVID money we got from them and from other sources was not properly targeted to benefit the poor. It's in the report. That is the IMF telling you. So, and when we did the program, the IMF protected the portion of the money that went to LIP. The IMF understood that public servants had to be paid. They didn't say we shouldn't pay the single spine, right? But the IMF said, you know, maybe your wages are high. And already our wages are high. We are taking off NAPO. So they were saying maybe your wages are high. What else can you do? We said, we are changing the focus. We want to build infrastructure to create jobs. So, madam, how many jobs do you think Terminal 3 created? How many jobs do you think the expansion of the Tema Port created? How many jobs do you think will be sustained or expanded? KGTI was there already, so we can't say that we are creating all the jobs. But you have an edifice that is there, so something more. How many jobs would we have created with the cocoa roads? You know, all the things that we did. Okay. E-schools that we built, hospitals. You know, so you change that. So what we told them is that we want to change the emphasis. Yes, we agree with you. But we also want to change the emphasis and use, you know, infrastructure to create jobs. And those are more permanent and sustainable. Of course, if Tema Port expands and there's more business, more airlines come to, you know, the capacity of the public service will also have to expand, right? So we were not excluding the public, the civil service or the public service as the current government sought to tell Ghanaians and everything. Yes.
Finally, Seth, say on a scale of 1 to 10, say you free SHS, some government policies no, the chances are a bit to me as survive the conditions of the IMF no. Over my percentage and as a scale no, a bit never say
I teach. It's difficult to score, and
please, you know, I beg you.
Even sometimes your students will be. What I would say is that we should take attempt all question approach. We are in a situation where every line, every revenue line, every expenditure, revenue has to increase, not yearly, because it's already in the budget. Frankly, it's already in the budget. We should take every line and look at it and ask ourselves whether we can finance it. Because the IMF is already saying in the document I'm talking about, which they agreed with government, that it will be difficult to borrow, for example, for the cares.
The chances of government policies, no, surviving the conditions of IMF, no, scale in the region, 1 to 10.
But we've survived in the past. We've survived in the past. Didn't we get out of, you know, all? Yes, I understand people saying that, yeah, we do well, then we relapse and whatever. So we should rather promise ourselves that if we leave this one, just as we wanted to leave and we were doing the, you know, the homegrown policy, let us agree that as a nation, like the Asian Tigers, you know, like even some African countries like Kenya. Kenya doesn't take money up front from the IMF. What they do is that they do what they call the policy support instrument, and that is what we were negotiating to do. So you try it on your own, and then when you get to a point where things are tough for you, you know, with your citizens, then you go and get 200, you go and get 150 or something. That one, everybody gets, every member of the IMF. As I said, even the advanced countries like Portugal, Ireland, Greece, and Spain, you know, they jokingly call them the pigs, you know, of the European Union. They went to the IMF. So that is what I would wish.
It's a possible say
every expenditure line will have to be examined.
It's a possible say maybe conditions any IMF negotiations in no na abanish say be policies be or the buy ya na or target the poor no ebe intact and kano ana
we have to put it on the table and discuss with them, and they don't have to be, for example, free SHS. You can say free SHS is pro-poor, but the current finance minister was asking, you know, by the grace of God, why shouldn't I pay my nephew's school fees, even if my children are finished school? Here's the question, right? So those are the qualitative difference which we have to answer ourselves. You know, putting on every fee and paying the fees for lawyers, for judges, for, you know, rich people in society, right? It is the poor. Now that we are unable to feed the kids, those rich people can load their chop boxes, as we call them, for their children in school.
Okay.
It's the same people who are suffering now. So let's be targeted. That is what the IMF is saying. So yes, let us see, the programs that we have on board. And then we have done this, every time we go to the IMF program. Maybe you can say in the 80s and 90s,
okay.
It was difficult for the fund to come, that was a reputation. But
yeah,
I just read the IMF is telling us things, about social protection.
Yeah, that's the neighbor when you're the man of paying, say it.
You're most welcome.
And can I for to some for at the moment Ghana said tepe and I would say Edi enko. Now what you do and I would see share Adum TV. Esa ete wo Asempa 94.7 FM so ye twen ho emra na me na mabedwafo adi na yemfa nkita hodie no ento aso mame ema wakwa babiem emra na wotwe dwumadie eso na ebedwafo ameniomo ebebon komo madi kan a introduce ora Kofi Ameyaw oye member edema MPP communication team no na lawyer Chumbema ono ye member NDC National Communication Team ye nyomo na ebedi nkomo no council akwaba mama hyase ewo Kofi ho say IMF nkomo no over the week within the week no ye di mu nkomo bebre no a asembisa no ene say $3 billion no ya waban susu se ne sabeka no muji di se no na ebe the solution to oman no the economic crisis a ye wo mu na na
that's not going to be the solution to our problem. But ebeboa in a great deal. But answer na my mencha for ni lawyer. Na yenda opini onyanyam for ye set take pass and in a daja on ye with income. But answer na me you one I think that in common no di and my kan kakran fam. Menche be wrong. The di kind no I think that na dream change be o ha ye somewhere ye at this point baby I drew no ye won some and I also ye de eboa o man no ye free tibia ye wo mu no tibia ye wo mu ni nya bia na ye man pani na na dodan kwa kufado na o hwehwe say ye bekom and I mean gindi say Ghana for now moto abama 2016 and 2020 they expected say sa tibia ye wo mu sisi ana ho kira ekoso e wo man no ebeba beto ye. So at this point, said the COVID by ye nyina ye boaboa ye ho so ye mutimi yi ye ho free COVID ne aban hye odi go apem ye egu akwam ye timi tan e no. I think we also in another crisis ye here to for some Bible supporting any yakoye. That notwithstanding, there's other issues or can ya I think say hono menene ya adwena enye ubisa na sembe na emide. Think or ye finance minister enka ede na obeye and o can say call your finance minister ki nju be bia yedu ade oboa I sharply disagree. Remember he was a finance minister when we went to the IMF in April 2015. Indeed, when he was a finance minister we didn't have any global challenge, no pandemic against here, no COVID in here. In fact, answer no be kasan or see the crisis again a woman no a crisis we are here for now many countries are going through. 2015, or the IMF, not many countries were not in crisis. And Ghana is part of the global economic activities. Yenya Island, because okay, Ghana and Kwanatwe. Then he made mention of the fact that your problems. Say Doomso, and I like his honesty. He's a good man. He's very honest. I see, the entire banking sector and core crisis was because of Doomso. He connected the two because the banks, the PDCs, free bank now are buying to me in Chomo Kenti. The banks almost collapsed as a result of that. He admitted that. So he cannot today tell us saying, manage the economy. I don't think all the programs available to us. But I think that he's made a fantastic point that it should be a consensus, which we should agree. In fact, at the time, and he mentioned IMF 4, Mudins was Sudan bringing Article 4. And even in Article 4, the programs are there to acquire. See the authorities of the strong view that the Ghana Cares program would deliver a stronger, more resilient and transformed economy. Now let me go into the question of IMF. Look, after the COVID, I am of the position and not just me. In fact, we share budget statements. I submitted in November 2021, paragraph 4. No, you did to me COVID in a buy. I bet that Sebi yada paid. You know, there are certain things I need a year as of my COVID buy. I bet done it. And again, we share the same article for in the introductory remarks. The fund, admitted firsthand, say the executive directors agreed with the thrust of the staff appraisal. They noted that the pandemic had a severe impact on Ghana's economy, a slower growth, higher food prices, and increased poverty. So even the fund now we are going to know, COVID na buy Ghana year. Now, if you read further, Ebeka said Ghana was recovering to the extent that in 2020 we did 0.4% growth. In 2021 we did about 5.4%. And then the fund also projected, say, this year 2022, we will be doing a 6.1 or so. So that means, say, COVID in the bind, we were recovering. Now, Yembisa won't say, I didn't think I would do baby I drew. I would do baby I drew because the beginning of 2022, and Russia and Ukraine war a buy. So all the progress we are making out of the wounds of the COVID, Russia-Ukraine war, as I buy, yeah, I must see any mind. Obi baby say na Russia for Ukraine come on to kwa. Na Ghana dey fa ho ben. The tieni say Russia and Ukraine almost supply oil 4% of the global demand. So that's extremely significant. And also the oil sector, especially the downstream petroleum sector now. The BBC cost were affected air prices ni bebre. Ama oil no bo akoso. Yes we ni mo kromo say fuel bo petrol bo cost. It affects every product in this country. Okay. What I say. So with this coming out to me, entina ako here say o man no ye be call IMF. Na yen ko drum pempen so e be di mpokra say e be tua adwumayefo ka. Nti we no IMF no encheche mu ne ehun kutawudie no. Baby adwun de ya de so de na me say Ghana phone nyina. Say nye baby a ye person ke be duro no. Ba ye dru ho anisa. Ye dwen Ghana phone nti yen pride. And say, and IMF in the NKMP.
It doesn't mean say baby, all the way, you know, say I was able to sign a more winner and could do pen so I yen to meet you my foka. Doesn't mean say I'm quite a fanka, bedroom baby, not when yen to meet you our sister. And what I could do.
And give it to me a draw. And let me tell you.
A draw we an anchor.
Mammy Chopoka. Abanya Nisika or Akonya Sam Miasaso. Barcode, CCI is almost negligible. They kind of donor support. The amanone the bread and see and fan budget negligible. Then two, a year internal air taxes, revenue mobilization. Then the third one, a year your friend saying loans. Sika your bobby. Now you realize that regarding taxes, we should tax to GDP a low. We are doing about 12%. The South region is doing about 20%. We share tax revenue no so sika about 60% of it goes into payment of a year your friend is saying salary I call for public sector workers. Okay. You are amortization and ABI debt. So you so we go to the financial market and borrow. Now because of how poor COVID the economic structures now now if you go to the financial market, nobody is really
from so.
But I just read to you what the fund said. And so as a result of the COVID and Russia, you asked the question. Let me conclude.
Yeah, the COVID cancer.
The question, let me answer. Let me
finish. But I think that you answered me because you said someone can't bedroom. That thing has been answered. Unless our person didn't chimuba. Someone quiet me fa. Can bedroom the point I want to meet you my forecast.
Because
you answered it.
Yeah, I've answered that question, but that's not enough. I have to explain to your viewers why. And can't what I
can want me. Say a the COVID year now, a year sika a bar monsem. Me come on some when you want buying some no. A year $2.4 billion. And near yet here, Muslim Kwame, I call $3 billion. It is $2.4 billion. I did cover this a casse, cover the man which said by a COVID a magana, I am more bonny idea and to moko IMF no. Says Canadian idea, $2.4 billion. And $3 billion, the difference between woman.
My mama won't tell us any AAT from Tiasi. In fact, you are sika cry bros at $3 billion. Abanye sika de yɛde.
Me bisa wo.
Ɔde yɛ mpuntu ndwuma. Abanye sika ɔde twa adwuma yɛfo ka. So are you saying say yɛ mpuntu ndwuma wɔ kurom ana? Abanye sika ɔde twa ya ka ya bosia ya brogu odada. So when the question is asked, sika no de yɛde in every budget statement, if you've cared to know, in appendices now, we itemize every peso that is spent in this country, unless you don't want to know. So when the question is asked, the money is in the budget. The budget is here. Go and read it. All the appendices, even how much we pay each worker, is recorded in the budget. Now you ask the question of 2.11 billion. And then the finance minister was in parliament. You didn't follow him. Why follow no? Why explaining what we use the money for?
And now, the choir no. As a party person no. Would you be say na okay also be at
no, not as a party person.
Again, Ebema, the Speaker of Parliament, no. As a Swati committee say you need receipt by receipt. No monko shame.
Fair. We are presenting budgets. We are itemizing the idea. Now, if they want further proof, and that's the job of Parliament, check and balances. So the fact that Webisano is there a problem? There's no problem. That's the job. That's why we have the Public Account Committee. They look at every issue. That's why we have the audit service. So the bottom line is that at the end of the day, nobody is saying you acquire IMF for the 3 billion because that will be the panacea to all our problems. No. At this point, we need money to support our budget. That's why we are saying you acquire IMF so that we have our balance of payments. To cushion it. So that we won't get to the point where things are so bad. Because now, job market now, you are not getting any loans.
Me that say. Chum. Medical yamu akwaba. Bibi won ma beka na wako anim. On this IMF, any baby you drew, say take can be brave. What you be? We take home.
All right, me that say and a parent come on me share. Yes, IMF ayako. Indeed, nka enfunso bia nso da ni hu se obako obi nchen akope nimdie anasemboa. But panin se ye pa be hu ntini echichereboa. Ana asem bi so ase eni adanse a opasem na hu bi. Na da adanse. This IMF asem abaye abedin srene ni ade just because of adibesi nra. So that's it. And no be a scene anything I must have doing about. Because in Kenya Brady Kenya Ghana acquire. I think this is the 17th time also.
So you're successful the 17th.
Oh, all right. I mean, you're not successful Ghana once you have a project, so it's on record. Say Yako. So that's it. Aha. In Kenya Bonnet, any Brady Kenya, sorry. But Akoba say and now team the Dibbre and Uncle Focus because of a no assembly. Many for when they were in opposition and the NDC was in government. Na be a bar said IMF Aberto, and I said IMF is on the table now. Say Ghana acquire IMF. Abano at the Ghana acquire IMF. They disagreed, and as buttressing their point of disagreement, and one must can be do by Binukana. I bet as IMF no quite to mum say, Sabronsamchen, we are not with him. Or does it? Abe demon be a near pending cratia. Okruma. Okowa. Some of their, I mean, some of their key people like Kasafa, and the kind of utterances. Gabi, for instance, cited is even a point of criminality. What do I say? I can quote and quote and quote so many people in some kind. At the end of the day, come at the candidates to say. IMF no. The last Sunni and Muhammad. He's on record. And the naba. Aden yes could be. But yes could be because ye who ye name say. And yes one a so now you hear will be so boy and no yes money. Near swa it immediate to no more qua a unit. That is why in yes acquire baby. The amount that we have quoted $3 billion. The possibility is that Cameroon can say as can be very high. Because I want any charity foundation could do one here times to get the amount.
What can I say, MPP na day or minor echo? anasa bibia no yedru ba bia yehu say yentumi ye nyoma so a ene yekọ IMF.
No, the point I was trying to make is that going to IMF, no, I don't really have a problem with that.
Okay.
But and then Ghana for the about it because of the utterances and the comments that people made when they were in opposition. Some quote two different people are you didn't quote the main issues. That is why I cited only about 1 or 2 people. Anyone someone can fire me from in the past. And they said about Crown one God be so good, they are in power. Now what saying about Kona Gas, I didn't know almost alcohol, I didn't yefa. They are trying to justify their grounds, giving reasons upon reasons upon reasons. But when the end point, and say you are now with IMF. Our reasons of going there cannot be the same. Kofa 16 past 1 thing, and I say comparatively, obvious reasons are higher. Was it the same? It wasn't. You definitely get differences between first one, second one, third one, ABC 16th one, and they the 17th one. But did we demonize the past? From number 1, number 16 or 15, did we demonize them? I mean, it's so wrong to even have the intentions of IMF. At the end of the day, as they have now realized, Ghana has been part of IMF since 1950s, if I'm right.
1957.
What I say? Until then, IMF. And then you're pay and you're doing IMF. You remember that about 190 countries or so, and about almost 190 or 190 countries, and form that institution. The biggest contributor to IMF is America. But their purpose is to guide you. Guide what maybe I watch you. The entire because if you're not 3 billion, I don't know. I saw one but transfer study. I'm showing you. It's your 1 + 1 giving us 2. If it's a 1 + 1 in my answer 2, I don't think it's 2. Because automatically when you add 1 to 1, you must get 2.
And the money you sell 1 + 1 and you 2.
No, I mean you said they will look at so many things that the government is doing, especially on your expenditure. Because I'm saying this because, for instance, the World Bank statement be a issue, and let me read it. I say one some kind of way for necessary recommendation. Now the recommendation was say, meanwhile, the World Bank wants the government to implement vigorous reforms to strengthen microeconomic frameworks, rebuild buffers. They include debt sustainability, and one of our problems is debt. How Bakopa again the fist say is our debt. Okay. And the rate up and I say jumping. Na kutia ya GDP. Because I come say no, say Ghana ye nipa nkoya adwuma ka boso me so na say kwaji na katua, wodi mu oham nchembe almost 90%. Kutiaka. Now obra we so we use Ghana do almost 90%. Kutiaka. Na another 80% na so kutiaka. Obra no bedabo. Amana yi. Because anya bia na se bitimi ka ho o school fees oba akoma ba o lorry fare fuel o car fuel maintenance need that number. But say if say you are using the huge chunk of your money to pay debt in Goa, you can't survive. But that is the problem, one of the biggest problem of Ghana. Again, they will look at certain policies say certain policies na ye kutemwa yes, as you said, they were pro-poor policies wouldn't be for another day. It's good. But the point is, do you have the funds to sustain it for the future? Because as you sit here, one of the problems are buying if you see BM a revenue generation. Into what I mean, what Humbanas were going to say policies no but my sustaining. I'm what Sana and Kwadingu. Or some of them need to be, I mean, you say you do away with some of them. Let me give you a country like UK. They don't pay necessary allowance. They were paying it in the past. They've cancelled it. So what does it? Because at the end of the day, no, I want to put one can tell you, can say, you come and check what's wrong. I won't be bint. No, so no question won't be, I never will be. So what does it? But there are other professionals, I want to call training schools. Do you see them or do you hear that they are being paid, I mean, training allowance or whatever? Some law schools, some professionals. Are they being paid legal allowances for what they are being trained as lawyers? Okay. So what does it? I mean, we can cite. What is good for the goose is as well good for the gander. And it is the going to the IMF has become a problem because of the past comments that were made by the people in government today. And also, it has become necessary because the country is now running on the shoulders of, debts.
Okay.
Debts.
Medasichum, Kofi. Mamito na menko to hotel.
Mati, the woman say can you know you can say you inquire IMF nya. It comes from the fact that we believe, or we in the MPP believe that a drum me or say a year Ghana for one kasi day and she be go akwa be boy yankas.
She said to say
oh, and they be massive industrialization drive, one district, one factory, making sure we add value to our products, near consuming be near export be. And no, making sure we be a bread basket war, especially Syria, the northern part of our country. Every village will have one dam near the other. Making sure we bring development to the people. And this special development initiative in a year, 1 billion for every constituency, 1 billion, I think $1 million at the end of the day, which saw a lot of infrastructure at every corner, the communities, coastal development. But in the midst of this discussion, if we fail to recognize the impact of a global pandemic and its effects on our economy and assume all the time, yes, Ghana near all your problems. Yes, we do. Expenditures, we not see a reduce. Yes, we have to. Now your holes, we not see a plug-in. There were cracks in the system. Yes, they are all true. They are true. But we cannot fail to recognize, say, we are where we are because COVID began. And I don't know why we don't want to admit and accept that. It's okay. At the end of the day, on Kobe Bia, Ebedi in Komwa, Sebi in Penifuatinasi, and Fasa Kwambes no BCC, Usika, Omo recognize it. I have read the IMF articles, the board members, directors, some conclusion. Every point they make in the way they recognize the impact of COVID. As a people, as Ghanaians, if we are failing to admit it, it's okay. But I am extremely optimistic that this government, this president, will ensure that we take steps to make Ghana and do pempensua and what change in
okay. Mama Kwaji Abuafo Enkratomra. Na eba seba kwa maybe Kofi ansa na makotwi ho no. And it says sa IMF discussion we eba ye ansa na 11 70 passage ne ba amagana for abecha se ajetu. At that point no omo kan ya kosi say ye nuru bra wose ye call IMF. And omo se mo di 11. Enti na so mo ye 10 wa agi 11 na tum no mafachi ko de akopiem IMF. Anase na the focus no akasa eyeden because what tie de omo chem ya na at that point ni nyina no omo nim said the situation man economy ni gina mu no na bia IMF nkwa na betumi savage the situation but still na no omo preto nchen ese yenye 11 ma yenya boafo nkrato emra ha aye Adom TV na wotwi dwumadie e na wotie no mama mo akwaba na wotwi dwumadie Adom TV na wo hwɛ medin de abena pokoa ahwenye na nsa na mekoma bedwafo ho no happy birthday na enkoma Mr. Isaac Newton wo ye chief executive officer de ma Asida Fabrics na ye wawoda onyame onhya na onye okese wo yire ene wo ma no so mo dododo na omo so bade nsem hya ho den ene kwatenten de ma o enjoy your day Mr. Newton mama mra Kofi me say eti na monim se 11 no enye de panacea na no enye no ye edema the economic crisis na yewo mu no na mo yire mo ho a chinchim ye sa de hye ye me say ye ntua by force ena mo ye na mo se mo kwae me sanete
da enya sanete men dwen kra de bia da sanete de tie ne se de di kan me nua ma chiro wo me komodie no se aban ewo kwame nsaso a ogigiska ba ko de ne se ye fa nya adwuma de to so bio ye sika ejide eto a ejide kakra na wo hwe se de nyoma ekọ ene aban bebi a bruni beka no bafa sinking fund na opening se tekpeka no yakoyi sika free aboye ho ban se yare ekodi ewu covid ne nkunya na be hia se aban be nya sika aboye ho bra na wase nya bidi akosi eno no ye ko sika dwaman so a na ebi mba nti na osi ye boy ho modern titi mu we mu kakra na ya nkasa gigi free ye ho na ye de mo man ho bra nti ekofa yi levi bae yi levi ye nuanum ya me wo lawyer yo tie ni nuam o make omu twitwa blade wo parliament nyina se yi levi de ha ehene ha nya de beba so omu ka che Ghana for se eye krono eye atutubotom den ye ho demonstration eye nipa ho adwuma ne ye enipa ye na so mutua Ghana for dodo na no o hwe statistics eba na sika na na expect say be nya free 11 enye no na eba nti na ebe hia say ebe so ye kopia na mo tuo fufuro bia betimi de eye emmo abre o man no IMF nya bia na o say ye kɔ enya bia ye so da ye say ebe kɔ na mo o say tu anamon a ye ndwen ye nka say ye MPP de ye ka say IMF de sune ye nko obio esanse ye GDC ye say enuoma hihye ye a eni say ye kɔ IMF but say ebio ya meka wa hobrasem say COVID by ye na baby na me wa that time and me feeling COVID ye by the time I COVID said that year say ye COVID no na ye nyama mampani bia odwen kon kan here the vision so timi de nhihye egu akwam a ebo a ya ma COVID no Ghana for really didn't feel an impact na me ti ekro bi so a na omo nti de ekoso America to the extent say the president was saying say edu sama the COVID will vaporize e be yira akọ do maybe was see condom detergents. Now you know detergents now COVID in the and this was how bad the system was in that country. But we had a president in Ghana, Otimi the numerous Gugu Akwem, so we never saying out America to the extent saying in was even a problem in the United States. Sabi you any demo toilet roll. Oko shop toilet roll was a problem. Pound no bedikra shot to America because of COVID. Did it happen in Ghana? No, it didn't happen. Because we had a government, we had a president that or foresight. And maybe tie, Mami di we no. Amampeni can say be, Mami can bro for. I say we know how to bring the economy back to life. What we do not know is to bring people back to life.
Okay.
Meaning about your kind say economy back to life and say economy ni ebe wu. Ne wu ye nim say de ebe nyane no. So baby e won economy na wu. We are what he prophesied. Say ni komse na o say economy ni bewu no ewu ti biamu na emu na ekwan be fa so dia ba no ebi ni say o say yekoyachi na ye fie no ye sakofa bio because IMF is not a place we ever wanted to be. But situation no
me we wo sanse bebreson na ene no the likes of Mr. Makasibe Yeboah ne mpanyifo bi even the minority dodo no a any some economists awodo the suggestion no modern mama say would 11 no enya no ye de mass situation man ni wo mu na muka said there be ebi kra suggest say monko IMF e ma mo twe mo abo so ene no modi omo go be komo ma na
nye bo ma biasem
na ye dey
na make say we had an expectation say E-levy will give us enough.
But ebi mo so ehun no akire say E-levy no enye the solution. E ma mo twe woma no wo form e say enye no correct.
But they can never be once
they had the case.
No, of course everybody
but money antum.
Na say enye bibia na obi aka yetum. What I say? And then mami for 30 seconds be. Me be say etie for any ahwefo ya we say. The idea of government was to ensure say Ghana e betimi aboye ho bra. But amania to you know actually say or see ekojemwa no ye
me da say jum amen ye wi ano no to final way sana nti no obe ne tofa ama me
ene mani bia kofi kan ya me ne ya adwan ne say indeed I was also in America around that time and the question na you understand but do you know the reason why because na we say we mpia bonten it's na man for shop be shed them na ne mpia kwa no ne ne fie no di nti na man na ma say so gini back say so the all can hear the crap
say mo na sabe na mo American ti mo ho Ghana so ye feel kakra enuane bo be ye dem pagari nyina ne bo ye dem
ne bo dem po ebi ni won bo no nya bia
see mama can be interpreted IMF if the World Bank issued a article be on 28th of June.
Okay.
Now someone can was saying when the debt crisis hits, don't simply blame the pandemic. So what can and once you so no say pejani mu and found answering in COVID. And found answering in adefo from me. Because say every debt crisis begins with unheeded warnings and end with severe limits on your investments.
Okay. Can you
not to say ebra wo ka esem no ekosoro no wo mo bo like the kokobi ah ye catchers ade we ade we hwani ye ana wontie enti edidi wa na se du kopie wa emfa wo ha no problem obi
enti ne kwakra no
no say you can't simply blame COVID because of your woes
the kofie kan
and dem nanya
okay
because let me tell you aban we under COVID enya about $5 billion COVID in one time is going on yeah so what say ko vice finance minister ko bu wa contact Kofi na me adwene pa say no finance minister say okay won na nya
me ne adwene pa
his figures was not even tally the expenditure figure
tally
me da say
expenditure figure president de maye and the finance minister beka ensia
he explained
entina
and then who is in charge
okay
the
speaker of
the minister is more or less an advisor to the president
okay
what advice did you give to the president
a member of the MPP Kofi Ameyao a member of the MPP communication team member now ono ani na lawyer Chumbari my member NDC national communication team 17 ne campus saying
na me adom ekoye pa o say ye wie campaign ton no ya bank na me adom na watwe say na na eto aba eto ahini esi ahinifo age atum preko pese afwe de intim re na so
all my Canada fifth time
lucky
Osada number 5
Oda number 5
I mean come on
no more be campaign communication
but eti o me na se ba bibia wo na wo share yen e wa Adom TV etie yen e wo Asempa 94.7 eso edian mejeso ene Abena Pokoa ahwene the Kwawo ambassador dam ye jare ba bia obi metu check se e de ma ya da wase nyame so aso kan ho na wo twe se ne ye besan e de esia mu biem yakra mu nyina